this? We're all clear over here. No room for error here. Not clever, do you? The door.
Security's down in the R&D lab. The plans for the microdrone will be in there somewhere.
Stick to procedure.
All clear. Moving on.
Let's keep our eyes peeled.
Your problem. Where are you hiding? Nobody's here. Searching elsewhere. Wait, what was that noise? All good. I'll try somewhere else.
Someone shut that thing down!
Ah, hell! My fucking ears!
Holy crap! Shit!
Right, fan out and find the target.
Clear.
Drone, perform a search.
Moving on.
I've downloaded the schematics. You can leave whenever you like.
Fine.
Damn it, they're gone.
Now that we have the schematics, we can make microdrones of our very own.
Better move fast on that, Bags. We need to get into Titus ASAP. Shut down Project Themis before Nigel decides to launch. And with what he was saying, we don't have much time.